We hope this lesson reminds you to be like a sunflower that follows the sun from the morning when it rises until the flower falls asleep each evening. But you follow the Son of God, Jesus, every day from the moment you wake up until you fall asleep at night, all day, every day. Forget not the Lord. If you want to learn how to do this lesson and hundreds more, join us in our Bible Art membership filled with printables, art lessons, and Bible resources for kids of all ages, where we're helping you remember the Lord in creative ways.